What's up, guys? Good morning. It is a beautiful, finally a beautiful sunny day here. November 1st, All Souls Day. I'm going to take a walk down Teodoro Street. I asked the kid here, the truck driver, how you pronounce it, and that's what he told me, Teodoro Street. It's been a while since I walked down here. Where is this located at? Here's your Fields Avenue. It's actually up here. It says Teodoro and Fields Avenue. This is Teodoro. We're going to just take a walk down through here. It's been a while since I walked from the top here all the way down. Just kind of give you a look, see what's going on. Here's your knockoff shoes, knockoff purses, your umbrellas, underwear, bags, you name it. Oh, hello. South Star Drug right there. I recommend South Star Drug. Voila. I recommend South Star Drugs if you're going to get any medication. Here's the big thing. I heard this now twice from foreigners wanting to get the here's Dimples Club. They are open. I think they're open. They open?
Yes, Bob, open.
What time they open, my man? What time do they open?
No, they open.
No. What time do they open?
10 a.m.
10 a.m. till
5:30.
Oh, okay. You lift weights?
Yeah.
I could tell, man. You're a big guy. Nice tattoos.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you. Getting back to what I was saying. Antibiotics. I've had a couple people now ask me about antibiotics. I've never, they don't give out antibiotics unless you have a script around here. I've never had a problem getting antibiotics. I have a person that can get them for me. So those that have been asking, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe try a bunch of different pharmacies, but yes, I know you can't get them. Cappuccino, cafe, macchiato, is that how you say that? Coffee shop here. The Magic Touch Massage and Spa. I've had massages down this road here. Good massages, not, well, depends on what you consider good. Real, put it this way, professional massages down here through here. There's a nice BMW. Still taking donations for a BMW. I've had some pretty decent massages down through here. Professional massages. Arusu Hotel. Red Doors, Arusa. Soul Sister Salon Spa Massage. Here's Amigos. Everybody raves about Amigos here, how good it is. I'm not a Mexican food kind of guy, but everybody that I've spoken to, there's been multiple vlogs on it, swear by it. I'll have to come up here. I do like quesadillas, so I'm gonna have to come up here and try a quesadilla. Everybody swears by it. Never heard anything bad about it as far as, you know, quality of food, the amount you get, price is reasonable. This is Amigos. Like I said, a lot of guys have, a lot of vloggers here have did reviews on that, food reviews. I'm not a food review guy. You guys should know that. Just not my thing. Here's Norma's. Norma's is down the street. Morning, Koya. 5740, so it's going down. 5740 at Norma's. Yeah, not the food review. I don't. Made a mistake one time, and on a review, I mentioned something. Somebody took it the wrong way, and so after that, no, no, I'm not going to do it. The If you want food reviews here, check out Far East Poppy. A lot of my subscribers do watch him. Check him out. He'll give you a good food reviews. Another person asked me to go around and do videos on doctors here, what doctors are here, where to see it, because like I was saying earlier about the medicine, sometimes they do require a script, and people want to know where doctors are here that they, because one of the biggest things you could do, the biggest mistakes you could do, is show up here and not have enough medicine if you're taking medicine. Somebody asked me if I'd run around and find where the doctors are. That would be a task. Boy, it's a nice breeze coming up through here. There's the Kingdom Hall, Jehovah's Witness. That is where I met Mr. Dennis Rodman's father. He used to attend the Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's where I met him. Nice man, very friendly. He has since passed away. What else is down through here? These side streets I shoot down. There's a couple hotels down there. We stayed at the one hotel down there, a residential inn and villa. I think that's what it's called. Could be wrong. I'm not going to stroll down there, but reasonably priced. You're really close to Fields Avenue, walking distance. Juanita's Guest House, affordable rooms. What is this? Is this Juanita's? Juanita's Cafe? Right here. That's what it says. Juanita's Guest House. If they're open or not. Yes, it says open. Juanita's Guest House is open. Juanita's open for business?
Yes, sir.
Room rentals?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Are you going to give me a... Are you going to give me a price? Everybody wants to know what's available.
Yeah.
You don't need masks no more. You're aware of that, right?
We're not prepared. Wait, so
Is it this it here?
Sir?
Is this it here?
Mm-hmm.
This is the prices right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's the prices right here.
We also have monthly and weekly rates.
Monthly and weekly. So a standard room is 950 pesos.
Yeah.
That's less than $20. That's pretty good. Deluxe room, 1,150. And suite, 1,500. 2,000 family room, penthouse. Those are good rates. Very good rates. All right, back out. Girls are cute. They we're not ready for you. I said, that's all right. I got a little nose bleeding going on. That's a pretty reasonable rate. I'm not going to do hotel reviews. Maybe somebody has done a hotel review on that. But what do you want? I mean, for 20 bucks, as long as it has air conditioning, as long as it has a bed, I guess you're good to go. The Craft House here on the right. There's the back Candy Palace right there. Morning. open. There's a guard there. Wait, are they open? They open? They open now or no?
Tomorrow, not closer.
They're closed.
Yeah.
So
Tomorrow.
it's a hotel, right? Condo. So they're closed. There's nobody staying here?
Yeah. No.
There's people staying here.
Yeah.
They're just closed today
Yeah.
for the holiday.
Only office closed.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, office. Oh, the office is closed. All right, for the holiday. All right, buddy. Thank you. So they're open. It's a condominium, but the office is closed today because of the holiday. Men's spa. There's Prime Asia. There it is. There's Candy Towers, Candy Palace. So this street runs parallel with that street over there. Men's Spa, Hotel and Sports Club. They are open. Maybe everybody's taken off because of the holiday. That's the way it kind of works. Then you kind of get to the back here. Now I've walked back in here. I'll walk so far, but I'm going to turn around. A lot of people get back here and that's it. They ain't coming back in here further because it is pretty rough, pretty tough back in here. It's not for the faint of heart, right? But this is where the real people live. That spiral case right there. It's at a fire exit. Puppy's looking a little rough today. What's up, guys? You skateboarder? Yeah? Let me see you do something. Do something cool. All right. That's pretty good. Oh, he's gonna do it again. Oh, almost. You can do it. Oh, you stayed on. Bye-bye. Good job. She's doing her laundry here on the right. So you look here, you think, oh, this is just growed up jungle or whatever. Those are actually vegetables and stuff in there. People are growing vegetables and different things in there. So when you walk by and it appears that it's just overgrown, it's not. I couldn't tell you what that is in there, but that's somebody's garden. Look at it, it's got the big old bottles there of San Miguel. Couldn't tell you what rent is like back in here, but this is where the people live. I said I'm only going to walk down so far because it gets a little, to me, it gets a little sketchy. There's the San Miguel Chapel. There's a puppy sleeping underneath the Juke, the Nissan Juke. We'll just go right down here into this crossroad here. What's up, buddy? Morning. There's a gate there. All right, now we're getting down in here. We've got some Coke in a bag. Morning, buddy.
Morning.
All right. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you? And here we are. We're at the crossroads. I've gone that way before. What's up, buddy? I've gone that way before. There's a basketball court. Wandered back in that way one time. That's a little rough back in there. But this is what it's all about. What's up, buddy? What's my channel?
Yeah.
Philly in the Philippines.
Philly in the Philippines.
Yeah, yeah. What are you doing here?
I moved here.
Are you what this was
Street food.
seafood?
Street food.
Street food, yeah, street food cart. Yeah. And you slap your trike on or your motorbike on it, right? And what did you sell?
Fish balls.
Fish balls, okay. Yeah, fish balls are good. All right, let's
Do you know fish balls?
yeah, I like fish balls. Very good, masarap to me.
Yeah.
I like them, yeah. Let me
Philippines.
what's that? Huh?
What is your channel?
My channel is Philly in the Philippines. What's your name? Reg? Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Fist bump. All right. Yeah. Everybody's friendly back in here. Let me just scoop back. Look at it. Get a little kitten right here. A kitten there. You got a puppy there. Here's your basketball court back here. I'm not going to go back in there. I've been back that way. Morning. Just say good morning and smile, and everybody will smile. What's up, Bucks? What's your name? Fist bump? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, there it is. Like I said, it's a holiday, so of course the kids are out of school. Hello, what's your name? Fist bump. All right. Put a smile. All right, buddy. Put a smile on her face. So, all right, let's get out of here. That was my walk. A little kitten, man. That's just a little frail little thing. Hello. What are you selling? What was that? Two joints?
2 joints.
Yeah, 2 joints. Yeah, I know 2 joints. But I thought it was boom boom. Boom boom. Boom boom boom. There it is. What is my channel? Philly in the Philippines.
Right.
Are you going to subscribe? All right, man. All right. So there it is. Here's my walk. Hello. There's a little sorry store. Sell a little bit of everything in there. Walk back in there. I'm not going to go back in there. I'm going to work my way out. Like I said, it's nice. That's chicken manok. That thing's all dried out, rotted out, but that's a chicken manok cooker. So let's work our way out of here. Oh yeah, like I said, I've said this before many times. Just smile, say hello, and people will smile back. Don't be afraid. You know, if you yourself feel that, you know, this isn't for me as far as walking or getting out and about, don't do it. Don't do it. You got to feel safe. Me, I feel fine. I feel safe. And like I said before, I won't walk certain areas here in the night. I just wouldn't do it. I wouldn't recommend anybody to do it. So guys, with that being said, there is our walk. Been a while since I've been up here, so I figured let's do a walk off the breakfast, burn a few calories, and with that being said, we'll talk to you guys later.